Hey everybody, and welcome to Stock Abilities. Today I'm going to be covering Live Ventures as suggested by one of the YouTube followers here on this channel. Live Ventures is basically a venture capitalist, or as they refer to it, a diversified growth holding company with a strategic focus on acquiring United States-based middle market growth, manufacturing, and value add distribution companies. They're tied to a lot of different companies here and there. Their stock price recently has been going up quite a bit since October of just last year, all the way up to 21.57. They had a bit of a dip here. There was issues where they might be considered securities frauds, and then of course things kind of settled out then, and they've been going up a little bit higher as the days have been going on and the weeks and months. Going a little bit further here, something to look into for the future upcoming is the stock option agreement between Live Ventures and Rodney Spriggs with a 5-year installment vesting term. So if they show some actual profit and growth through that, that will look very promising. They did spend a lot of money to acquire the company, of course, and there's loans and other things involved. So there's a lot of tied up cash that could go either way, depending on how well the companies go. That is the risk you have with an investment holdings company. Going a little bit further here, you can see that there's been some recent insider buying from the Live Ventures Incorporated director that bought $56,000 worth of stock. So he's pretty confident in his company from the point of $19, and it's roughly at $21. So it's been going up here and there. He also bought some not too long ago, and altogether about a $189,000 investment. That's a pretty big investment for his company, and he seems to be continuing to want to buy more and more as the time goes on. Going a little bit further here, the possible securities fraud was not that long ago, and there is still kind of an investigation outlook here, as you can see from Seeking Alpha that published an article about it to kind of some kind of hype going on with it to promote the company and create a higher stock price. They're currently investigating that, so it's a good idea to check into that a little bit further and see how it's going before you invest with this company. Something to also consider here: the cash on hand is less than $1 million at last count. The long-term debt sits at close to $14 million, and of course the total assets come in at a little over $53.4 million. That's a lot of tied up assets, so it can go one way or another, especially if the securities frauds does not pan out. For the short term, though, in the last few days, it went from 1978 to all the way up to 2157. It's looking like it's going to peak up a little bit further come Monday. My guess would be to see if it breaks 22. If it breaks 22, it's going to peak a little bit higher than that. I'd check it out in the pre-market, see how it's going. If it's still holding above 22, that's a good time to buy in. Of course, you can buy in at 21.50, set a tight stop loss, and if it breaks 22, I'd sink a little bit more into it. That covers pretty much all I know about Live Ventures. It's a fairly new company to look at for me, but if you like this video, make sure to like the video, make sure to share the video, and subscribe if you want more videos just like this. Have a nice day.